Hey, Internet. The postman was just here, and he delivered something that I think you're going to really like. So let's take a look. Oh, what could this be? Let's take a look. We're getting in there. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? This bunch of paper. And let's take a look at these guys. This is a Madagascar hissing cockroach. Let's see if we get this guy to hiss. Hold on. Let's pick out a male. They tend to be hissier. Oh, maybe because they're kind of cold because they just came in the mail. But they do hiss. So, yeah, I got these guys on Amazon from a vendor called Honeybees 100. Well, these are just your standard Madagascar hissing cockroaches. So, a lot of people have these. So maybe they're not, unique or unusual or anything, but if you're looking for something unique, unusual, maybe something not a lot of people have, because a lot of people have these things, perhaps you're looking for something that nobody has, or maybe something that nobody is even supposed to have, well, in that case, I recommend checking out my newest book. It's called Buying Illegal Bugs with Bitcoin. It's currently available on Amazon.com. It's in paperback, Kindle, and Audible formats for your convenience. Yeah, that's Buying Illegal Bugs with Bitcoin by George Billions. Check it out, and check out these sweet cockroaches.